Alright, this is John with Porch Light Inspection. We're doing a sewer scope inspection here at 3193 Northwest Colonial Drive in Bend, May 26, 2026. The sewer scope's performed here through the clean out. This is on the right corner of the house. That's the yard. There's Josh here observing. I'm going to send this down the pipe. We're going to go downstream, see if we find any issues. Make sure everything's all good. A little bit of debris I just knocked loose. There we go. Moving down the line. What we're looking for is any blockages or obstructions in the drain line. Oftentimes it could be tree rooting, it could be excessive grease, it could be a cracked transition or an offset in the pipe, something that's lodged down there. It could also be a sag in the drain line known as a belly, which is related to lack of compaction beneath the pipe, so it dropped on the ground. So far, I'm seeing all clear down this drain line. Here's the transition between pipes. No issues, no signs of tree rooting. Oftentimes, that's where tree roots will get in, where water can seep through a seam. That looked good. Top of the screen is a footage counter that says 48.9 feet. That is a distance from where the sewer scope equipment is and the clean out, and to where the camera currently is in the pipe. We're going down, it looks like we're going downhill towards the street, where we'll likely catch the main city or the main sewer connection, where it's commonly connected with the other neighborhood plumbing drains. A little transition there. Pipe did a turn. Okay, transitioning different type of pipe here. 93 feet. We're probably getting pretty close to the common drain connection. Transition. Very close to the end of my reel. This looks like I'm almost at the very end, right there. That's as far as my camera goes, and that's going to drop in. Get it? Yeah, that's the main. I don't have a single inch left on my camera. But we made it to the very end. It's 146 feet between the clean out to the main drain. We didn't see any issues. Look at those bugs at the end there. Down there. Like living in the pipe.
Yeah.
Wild. Do you mind turning that water off for me?
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you. Okay. Okay, we're going to start reeling back. Wow, there's bugs at the very end of this pipe just living down there in the darkness, waiting for something to float by to jump on.
That's a long one, huh?
Yeah, 146.
No.
A lot of these.
I wonder if it angles down.
It probably does.
Yeah.
I've a lot of these Butte sewer scopes I've done have been very long, to the point where I don't get to the very end.
Yeah.
Because they'll hit an alleyway, and then from the alleyway they're going down trying to get to the street, and
yeah,
it's probably like 300 feet before it gets to the street.
Yeah. Yeah, I didn't think it would be that long. I thought it would just come out over straight out, but once it goes back.
Yeah, it's definitely going downhill. Looks good as we're reeling back in. No signs of any issues in this pipe. Same as how it was when we pushed this line out. Yes, I don't need to go in, so you can lock up if you like. All clear.
So that's good.
So far, yeah. No, nothing blocking it.
They're kind of funny because they both worked on.
This is on audio.
Yeah.
Oh. Being recorded. So you can tell me whatever you want to tell me.
No, he was just like a maintenance guy. She was safety.
Yeah.
So like,
oh yeah, no, I got it. Like she was talking about safety was really important in the conversation. And he's very practically minded about. Okay, well, if we get a few more years out of this makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense.
But that's good. That was good. These trees here,
Yeah, it goes past a lot of trees in this hill.
Yeah.
Okay, we're almost done here. Very end. Okay, all finished. Thanks for watching. This was a successful sewer scope. No issues.